I have had occasion to discuss, for example, in 1978, when our founding father passed on, I remember very well, because we were on school holiday, and I was looking after my father's cows. And when around 3 o'clock we were told President Kenyatta had passed on, I remember we hurriedly took the cows home. We ran, literally, because in my mind, I thought it was the end of the world. And then in 1980, when I was preparing to do Standard 7 exams, CPE, that was called then, I remember very well when I went to do the exams, I was barefoot, because, of course, that was the nature of the village life. We didn't have shoes. My father bought me my first shoe in 1981 from a Mr. Onyango on the street for 60 shillings, because he could not afford the butter shoes. Why am I saying this? Today, as you can see, the gentleman who did not have shoes is sitting at the high table. With the son of the founding father.